Okay, this is Mike with Pacific Tech. I'm here with a Chevy Tahoe, and I'm pretty sure you guys see what I'm doing. This is called a hydraulic booster. It's not like a brake booster from a car. And I had to, show it's a different type of system. And let me show you what the new one looks like. Alright. So, this goes at your foot pedal. You got to release a pin that slides out. You got to remove the 4 screws, which again, they supply you with new ones, which is a thumbs up. 2 ring seals, which they go in here, hooked up on the line. And turn the light on so you guys can see why we're changing it. You see the leak? Alright, so customer has multiple problems. Went to a technician, and this tech told them they need that line, which is right here. And that line is not the one that's leaking all over the place, which is, you can see, it's really leaking there. I want you guys to take a look, okay? It's showing you that it's leaking, and it's going right down to that hole, and it's squeezing down, and it's wet and all of that. That's why it's all wet down there. All right. So one of the things, I kind of get mad at today is the street mechanics out here that are trying to rob females because the females don't know about it. And I'm kind of glad that I'm educating, my sisters out here about, some of these brothers out here that are doing shady shit to them just because they want to be inside their pockets. So, thank God, customer found me, and I did the timing belt, water pump, and seals on that. PBT control system, set the parameters again, and drove it around, and she's good to go. This one, they say that they did the thermostat, but it's still overheating. You got to do a compression test to find out if it's leaking from the coolant, head gasket problem, or something else. And I'm pretty sure they probably clocked the thermostat wrong. The customer states that it goes to about 47th Street, and then it starts overheating from that point forward. All right, so like I said, we gotta go down here. Oh, shoot. And screw 1, screw 2, screw 3, screw 4. And you can see it going through right there, up into that foot pedal where these wires are. They're the brake control systems. Okay. So, let's get these puppies out of here, and let's get this customer back on the road so the customer can have power steering. And she's gonna notice the difference because of one thing. She'll be able to go like this with a finger and drive the car now instead of holding on, and basically she got some guns on her right now because of this. But this is her recreational vehicle, so we're gonna get this up and going, and I'm gonna pause or stop the video here. It's probably gonna be a part 2 once it's completed. All right, this is Mike with Pacific Tech. Remember, there's a clip up here. Let's see. just like a retainer that you gotta move. And I'm trying to get the light on it. You see that retainer? I gotta remove that retainer and everything else slides just completely off. Alright. Get going. Questions, comment down below.